With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So in this question, it is given that the reaction stoichiometry, kinetics, and thermodynamics that of nitrosyl chloride, that is NOCl, is yellow gas that is most commonly encountered as a decomposition product of aqua regia. It is a toxic and irritating to the lungs and heating NOCl, which decomposes as 2NO plus Cl2. The enthalpy change delta-H for the formation of 1 mole of Cl2 by the decomposition of NOCl is 75.3 kilojoule between 100 to 600 Kelvin. The standard entropies of different species are as given below. NOCl, NOCl2 having 264, 211, 220, 223 standard entropies. We need to calculate the temperature above which the reaction will become non-spontaneous. So the reaction where it will become non-spontaneous. Before this, we should know the difference between spontaneous and non-spontaneous. And the spontaneity criteria is given by delta G is equal to delta H minus T delta S. Okay, where your delta G is your Gibbs free energy, and delta H will be your enthalpy, delta S is your entropy, and obviously T will be your temperature. Okay, now what will happen is, if the delta G value is equal to, or you can say if delta G is low, that means the reaction is stable, which means that spontaneous reaction it is. And if delta G value is high, that means reaction is unstable and it is a non-spontaneous reaction. Okay, so since delta G value is less for spontaneous reaction, so we can say that delta G, if it is less than 0, that implies that the reaction will be spontaneous. When the value delta G is less than 0, therefore we can imply that delta H minus T delta S minus T delta S value should be less than 0. From this, we know that delta H value is 75,300. It is written as 75.3 kilojoules. So joule we can write as 75,300 minus T we need to find out for reaction becoming non-spontaneous, right? So T delta S value is not given. So we can find out that by the reaction which is given to us, and the reaction which we have is 2NOCl giving 2NO plus Cl2. So delta S values are given, and delta S naught reaction can be found out by summation of S naught of the products subtracted by, this is subtraction, S naught of the reactant. Now S naught products we have, we can say the product S naught will be equal to how much? We have 2 times NO, right? So 2 into 211 plus 223 minus 2 times 264. For NOCl, delta S naught is 264, which is given in the question. Once you do this, the value you are going to get is 117. Now we can substitute in that delta H minus T delta S, that is 75,300, which will be minus T value we need to find out. Delta S value we have as 170, we just now calculated. So we can substitute the value as 170, which will be less than 0. Now from this we can calculate the T value. It is going to be equal to how much? 75,300 divided by 170 will be less than 0, right? Sorry, less than T. This is T. Implies when you do this, the value you are going to get is 643.50, which is less than T. This means that this less than T, this means that till reaction reaches 643.50 Kelvin, okay, I'll write down till 643.5 Kelvin, the reaction is spontaneous. The moment it crosses 643, crossing 643.5 Kelvin, the reaction will become non-spontaneous. So it was asked at what temperature the reaction will become non-spontaneous. So the reaction is 640. The temperature is 643.5 Kelvin. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.